I've been working so hard to get to YouTube 4,000 watch hour milestone. I mean, that is the point where you get to and you will get monetized. And lately, I've noticed that instead of my watch hours to increase, it's dropping instead. And I'm wondering, like, what is going on? So I decided to dig into research and see what is really happening. Guys, you won't believe what I found out. If you're a new YouTuber or even an experienced one who hasn't been monetized yet, or maybe your channel has been active for over a year or more now, and you are just curious about YouTube watch hours, or maybe you are facing exactly the same thing I'm facing, right? Stick around because I'm going to be sharing some crucial insights from my recent research that can also help you if you've not gotten there. First, let's clarify what watch hours are. They represent the total time viewers have spent watching your videos. We all know that to get monetized on YouTube and start earning from their ads revenue, you need 4,000 watch hours in the last 12 months and 1,000 subscribers. This is something we all know already, but I'm saying this so that you can understand when I start telling you why the watch hours are reducing. In 2023, YouTube lowered the requirements to help smaller creators to access revenue opportunities sooner after they launched their YouTube partner program in 2007. While you still need your 4,000 watch hour and 1,000 subscribers to earn ad revenue, you now only need 3,000 watch hours and 500 subscribers to access an early route to monetization. Now, this means that people have to watch your videos for 180,000 minutes in a year. To break this down, if people watch 2 minutes per video, you will need 90,000 views. If people watch 3 minutes per video, you will need about 60,000 views. So the more minutes people watch your videos, the fewer views you will need to hit the target with 500 subscribers and 3,000 watch hour, or 3 million YouTube shorts views and 3 public video uploaded in the last 90 days. Now, this will open up monetization features such as super chats, super stickers, and channel membership, allowing you to earn money directly from your viewers. Now, let's understand what all these things I've listed above me. The super chat and super stickers means when you live stream, viewers can pay to make their message stand out or send you fun stickers. This makes the live stream more interactive. That's when you are going live on your YouTube channel. Now, the membership, you can let your viewers pay a monthly fee for social perks like badges, emojis, and exclusive content for those people who are willing to subscribe to be a member of your community. So this means that the more your viewers interact, the more likely they are to use the super chat or become members. You can also sell your official merchandise via YouTube shopping. Now, reaching 3,000 watch hours shows that you can interact and keep viewers, which is vital for growing your channel. It also boosts your visibility and credibility, opening doors for sponsorship and collaboration. Plus, the watch hour give you clue about what your audience like, helping you to create better content in preparation for the 4,000 watch hour, which give you access to earning from ads revenue. So now that we have the basic understanding of everything, let's move on to the 4,000 watch hour and why my watch hours are dropping, or why the watch hours are dropping. And I'm going to be using my channel as a case study. I opened my YouTube channel 3rd of January 2018. I just opened it for opening sake, just to get idea to watch things online and stuff like that. So I did not plan on being a YouTuber because I'm a very shy person. Facing the camera is one of the most challenging things for me, and luckily for me, I was able to overcome it. And I uploaded my first video on July 19th, 2023. This means that I have spent over a year on YouTube, starting from when I first posted my first video. That is when my watch hour started counting. And instead of my watch hour to increase, it's dropping because I've spent over a year on YouTube. Why is this happening? So let me explain. If you meet your 3,000 watch hours within 12 months, but don't reach the 4,000 required for monetization, the watch hours from the oldest day will begin to drop off after 12 months, because YouTube calculates the 4,000 public watch hours requirements based on rolling 12 months period. This means that every day YouTube looks at your watch hour from the previous 365 days. If you are unable to meet the 4,000 watch hour within that time frame, older watch hours will start falling out of the 12 month window. Now let's do the calculation together using my channel. Based on the date I first uploaded my first content, my 1 year was completed on July 18th, 2024, which is the 365 days their requirement for you to attain that 4,000 watch hour. Look at where this thing gets funny. This means that the only hours that are going to count for my channel is the watch hours I've accumulated between these 365 days. Anything outside that, the old hours will be dropping. For example, my first upload, let's assume, was July 19th, 2023. Let's assume the first month I gain 100 watch hour. The second month I gain 200 watch hour. Let's say by the end of the 1 year period, I was able to gain 3,000 watch hour in total, which is not enough for the monetization yet. Remember, it's 4,000 watch hour. So by July 20, 2024, the watch hour from July 19th, 2023 will drop off because I did not meet the monetization criteria yet, leaving me with 3,000 watch hour minus whatever hours you've accumulated for that day. But if people watch my video today, the hours will be added to the next day. So this means that once you exceeded the 365 days, they'll keep dropping any watch hours accumulated exactly 1 year after the 365 days. If this today is 365 and tomorrow is 366, let's assume tomorrow make it July 20th. You know, I uploaded my first content to July 19th. Now they will minus July 19th of the previous year of 2023 from my watch hour. If I move ahead and say 367, they will minus July 20 from my previous year. I hope you understand the calculation. So this is why you see that your watch hour keep dropping. So that is how their calculation work. Do you all know about this before, guys? But I'm wondering why this thing never gets there. Oh my god. Please let me know in the comment section, are you also facing the same problem? The good thing about this video is that for someone who is just starting up, this is a chance for you to sit up and make sure you get to that 4,000 watch hour within the period of a year, within that 365 days. If not, you keep uploading, burning data, burning time and everything, and they will keep dropping your watch hours after the 365 days. And if you've been on this journey like myself, this is the time for you to sit up and make sure you get to that 4,000 watch hour so that you can get monetized. Now, what are the key points to take away from this video? Number one, don't be inactive. If you stop posting new content, you may not gain enough new watch hour to offset the ones they are rolling off, leading to decrease in your total watch hours over time, and you will end up with nothing. So keep posting new content so that you can accumulate more watch hour and your watch hour will get to the 4,000 on time. Number two, change in viewers engagement. If your videos start to lose views over time due to various factors like change in interest, audience behavior or competition, your overall watch hour will also decrease. So what you can do in this case is to follow trends, what is currently happening in your niche. So whatever it is that is trending in your niche, keep following it. This will bring viewers to you and your watch hour will keep increasing. Number three, analytics and improvements. This is also important. Regularly reviewing your YouTube analytics will help you understand which video is performing well and why that video is performing well. You can do that from your YouTube studio. You can check everything about your channel from your YouTube studio. And number four, stay informed. Do your research like the one I did now to keep up with the latest info. In my next video, I will share what I'm currently doing now to improve my watch hours. Remember, reaching the 3,000 watch hour is just the beginning. Stay consistent, be patient, and keep pushing your content. I want to cry. So, with these few points of mine, I hope I've been able to convince you and not to confuse you that if you are a new YouTuber, remember 365 days is very important. And if you've been in this for long, remember I've given you this information. Now, it's now left for you to go and work more and create content that will get you those watch hours. If this video has helped you so far, please give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed already, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Also share your thoughts in the comment section. Let us learn from your experience and see how we can all grow on this space. Until next time, bye for now.